Hope you all are fine. I'm back with the second introduction video on algebra. In the first video, we discussed about terms and coefficients, naming an algebraic expression. We also learned how to add or subtract two expressions. Today we will discuss why do we need algebra, how to find the value of an expression for the given values of variables. Apart from this, we will also learn how to multiply monomials, binomials, trinomials, etc. So let's get started. This question may strike your mind that why do we need to study algebra? What are the uses of algebra in our lives? Do you know we can easily find the value of an unknown quantity with the help of algebra? Let us consider a situation. Your brother is 3 times as old as you. If the sum of your ages is 20, what would be your age? Let's see how algebra helps us in finding your age. Considering your age as x, your brother's age is 3 times, that means 3x. When we add x to 3x, we get 20. This means 4x is equal to 20, and so x is 20 upon 4, that is 5. So your age is 5. Another important use of algebra is in writing formulae and rules in a concise and general form. For example, the area of a rectangle is the product of length and breadth. So denoting length by L and breadth by B, we get the formula L into B, which is easy to understand and remember. Once the formula is made, it becomes easy to find the value of area for any particular rectangle. Similarly, the associative property of addition, which says that we can add any two numbers out of the 3 first and we get the same answer. This can easily be written in the form x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z with the help of algebra. So you can relate to so many formulae and rules which we have used in maths till now. Another important role of algebra is in solving puzzles. Like if we have to find the 5th term of this series 2, 6, 12, we can find the pattern in these numbers and make use of algebra to find 5th or 10th or even 100th term. You may try this puzzle later and drop your answer in the comment. I will be waiting for your answer eagerly. Apart from this, algebra is widely used in many other branches of mathematics, in accounting, science, economics, engineering, etc. So you can well understand how important this subject is. Now let's learn how to find the value of an algebraic expression for the given values of the variables. To find the value of 2x square minus 5xy square, you have to simply replace x and y by their given values. So we get 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 into 1 square. Making use of BODMAS, we will first solve the powers and we get 2 into 4 minus 5 into 2 into 1, or 8 minus 10, which is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the value of this expression for x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. In simple words, when we put the values of the variable, the algebraic expression converts into an arithmetic expression. Can you try this one? Go ahead and share your answer. The correct answer is 2. Okay, so now are you ready to learn how to multiply algebraic expressions? Let's start with the simplest ones, that is multiplication of two monomials. We will multiply in 3 steps, first the signs, then the numbers and then the variables. First term is positive and second is negative, so plus into minus, minus. Now multiply the numbers in the 2 terms, followed by multiplication of x parts, y parts and so on. While multiplying the variable parts, we will use the law of exponents. X raised to power n into x raised to power m is equal to x raised to power m plus n. That means we will add the powers of the same variables. So finally we get minus 15 x cube y square, which is again a monomial. That means we get a monomial on multiplying two monomials. Children, this method can be applied for any number of monomials. Like in the next example, we have 3 monomials. So first we will multiply the signs. Plus into plus into plus is plus. So we don't write the first plus sign. Then 5 into 6 into 2 into x square into x cube into x into y square into y square. As z is present in only one term, so we have only one z part in the product. On multiplying the numbers, we get 60. So the final answer is 60x raised to power 6, y raised to power 5, z raised to power 1, which is again a monomial. Now let's see how to multiply a monomial and a binomial. We will make use of distributive law of multiplication here. So 3x square will be distributed to the first term and then to the second term of the binomial. While doing this, you will again consider the order. First multiply the sign, then the numbers, and then the variables. So plus into plus plus 3x square into 4y plus into minus minus 3x square into 5xy square. Now observe that every part is a product of monomials. So we will use the previous method for solving them further. And you can do these steps orally. 3 4s are 12. So this becomes 12x square y minus 15x cube y square. Is the method clear to you? So can you try the next one? Are you getting 12a cube b square plus 30a raised to power 4 bc? Please note that the same method will be followed even if there are more than 2 terms in the bracket. Now let's move on to the next stage where we are multiplying two binomials. We will multiply each term of the first bracket one by one with the second bracket. While doing this, take care that the sign of the term will be written with it. So we get x into second bracket minus 3y into second bracket. Now this is product of monomial and binomial. So distribute the monomial to the terms of the binomial. Here also you have to keep in mind the order. First the signs, then the numbers, and then the variables. So this gives us x into 4y minus x into 5y square minus 3y into 4y plus 3y into 5y square. Because minus into minus is plus. Further multiplying them, we get this. Children, here you must check for like terms. If there are any, then add them. In the second example, multiplying the terms of the first bracket with the second bracket, we get a square into b square plus ac minus 2b into b square plus ac. Now distributing the monomial to the terms of the binomial, we get a square into b square plus a square into ac minus 2b into b square minus 2b into ac. As there are no like terms in the final step, this is the value of the product. I hope all the steps are clear. If there's any query, you can write in the comment box. This method which we have discussed just now is applicable even if there are more than 2 terms in any of these brackets. So if we consider this example, on multiplying the terms of the first bracket to the second bracket, we get this step. Then distributing this term to each term of the second bracket, we get x into 3y minus x into 5y square plus x into x minus y into 3y plus y into 5y square minus y into x. Further multiplying these monomials, we get 3xy minus 5xy square plus x square minus 3y square plus 5y cube minus xy. Do you find any like terms here? Yes, 3xy and minus xy will add up to give 2xy, and this is the final product. Children, with this we come to the end of this session. I hope you have enjoyed multiplying two algebraic expressions. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Also keep yourself fit and healthy. Goodbye for now.